Guten Morning! It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day. I'm under the influence of Dayquil. I have a cold and I have no tolerance for drugs or alcohol, so anything I take makes me really loopy, so you'll just have to bear with me. I think I'm in Poway. That's where the car took us today. This is the Sherman property, and we did an installation in the front last fall, and we are systematically working our way through this gorgeous 2-acre estate property. Kim, the homeowner, wants can't wait till that grass is gone, right? Well, the installation that we're doing is going to be primarily larger plant material. I'm not going to be doing a lot of tapestry work around the pool area. So I'm really excited because that's a little bit of a shift for me from, so much of the intricate kind of work. This is going to be in time a world-class succulent and cactus garden. That's what the owner wants. So that is what we intend to provide. We have a challenge in that we have to bring each wheelbarrow of dirt, each wheelbarrow of rock, each wheelbarrow of plant material back here from the front. So it's about a 1/4 mile of a trek back and forth. So we've got a lot of team members working on this one today. Side note, if any of you are looking to gift or grace me with any kind of an alcoholic beverage, I like my martinis shaken, not stirred. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity reporting from Poway on day 1 and your succulent tip of the day. Cheers!